Gold and silver traded bearish yesterday with the FMC interest rate decision and with Chairman Powell's press conference. We have seen gold dipping all the way towards 3365, 670 zone and has recovered today early in the day. We have seen it moving already towards 3450 levels. While silver stayed in the zone on the downside 3240, I have mentioned very clearly 3240 50 should offer a very good support. What has happened? Silver has hit the zone and now bounced back. So can we say that this is a reversal? Can we expect a rally again in gold where it is going to move beyond 3450, 3500 levels? Or the highs are done and we are ready for a drop? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And if you are profiting and if you want to support, you can, and if you want to motivate, you can use super thanks as well. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the first. Let's have a look at the gold on the hourly charts. 3260, 3360 here. After forming the double bottom, what we had seen, gold trading in this bearish channel, lower highs and lower lows. In my yesterday's update, I have very clearly mentioned 3400 is offering it a very good resistance, and as long as 3400 is not taken, you should not treat this as bullish. What has happened? Going close to it, it has reversed sharp. It has moved again towards 3360. Now see, what has happened today after forming this lower lows, it has bounced back sharp. But here is a catch. I can still see it is struggling, and only bullishness today should be above 3420, where you can expect it to move all the way towards the day before's high at 3440 levels. This is something you should keep an eye on. And see, if you connect it here, you can connect it here, you can find this is also a nice flag formation here with lower highs and lower lows. And thus for the day, it is very important for gold to trade beyond 3420 levels, 24 levels, which will confirm the reversal. Now when you see the hourly charts, you can see it was outside Bollinger Bands. It has seen a push from the top, and the current candle is a swing one. I will wait for the next candle, and once with the next candle prices drops, I expect 3390, 3385 levels should provide it a very good support, and then 3378.80. If these two levels are taken, the possibility will be very high that we will see gold moving towards 3360. And if 3360 is taken today, we are ready for a good drop here. Stochastic at top, the MACD has after retracement hit the bottom and now crossed over. This is a bullish cross which suggests more rise. RSI comfortable. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts you can find out drop consolidation. See, it was trading with the support from the 20 period. It has breached this 20 period and now today again started with the bounce back on the upside. But this breach is very important because see, it is closed at the bottom and now it is giving a breakout. However, I still see this as a bearish breakout, and hence you have to be very careful today. As long as 3420 24 zone is not taken, we have to be careful with the buys here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is running flat. On the 3-hour chart, similar object. Now see, on the 3-hour chart, one beautiful thing here is the support. Look at the support here. 20 period offering it a maximum support. 3 candles perfectly taking the support. We have seen it bouncing back on the upside. Now see, it is very important to see the preceding candle. It is closed at the top, but if you look at the formation, what has happened here, it is closed at the top and then this massive dip has appeared. Now I am just wondering if it is willing to deliver the same formation here. Here it could be the other way around. See, one bearish candle, series of bullish candle. Here it could be one bullish candle, series of bearish candles here. This is one possibility you should watch out for. And this also confirms to me that as long as now 3420 is not taken, you have to be careful with the buys here. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over at the top and it is now trading with moderate bearishness. It is suggestive that possibly we are looking forward to lower lows here. The RSI is also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4-hour, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Drops, then the drop and a bounce back, lower highs, lower low, and it's forming a nice flag here. And see this one bounce back candle, and now opening the current candle at the highs, it is trying to erase some of the gains. And now if you see gold trading below 3394 levels, you can take a sell, but then expect it to get the support here at 3384, 86 as the first target zone, 3378 as the next, and if at all, and 3370 the third, and 3360, 64 the fourth. So till 3360 it has got very strong support. If at all gold trades below 3360, just stay short for a greater correction. We are ready for 3320, 3300, 3280 and lower levels. Right now it is not showing any such signs, so let me not give you false hopes. Moving averages have crossed over. These are trading divergence, trading bullish here. The stock has started to rise here. While when you look at the MACD, this is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is still in the green and the RSI has dropped. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, look at the preceding candle. See, bulls were absent yesterday. That is pretty clear. Today it is already seen higher high from yesterday, and if you look from day before, it is lower highs here. Now it is very important for gold to trade below 3360, because once it trades below 3360, we can expect 3340, 3325, 20 zone. Now till 3320, 25, we should not be treating this as bearish. It can bounce back, but below 3320, 25 is where we are ready for a massive correction on the downside. And then what we should look at, 3300, 3280 is possible. However, right now let's focus on what it is trying to do right now. The stochastic is at top here. The MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is still on the sell side, and the RSI is running flat. So before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my mentorship batch. 33rd batch is announced for first week of June. Reserve your seats now. Connect with me. Write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you are looking forward to a broker which offers you a SAF-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And those who are just willing to trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel as well. Connect with me for your queries. Now, considering this, first of all, where is the buy? I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 34.10, where you can expect it to move towards 34. 2024, the first target zone, and if that is taken, possibility is very high that we will see gold hitting 34 42, 34, 50 zone here. Very good resistance at 30 till 3450. Beyond 3450, direct lending in gold is going to be towards 3500 level. My expectations are not in line with that, but yes, this is gold, and the move it is shows is against what we are expecting. It is always, after every drop it shows a very strong pullback, but this time it could possibly do the other way around, where we have seen a good rise, the drop could be further sharp. So now if you see it is staying below 3394, you can take a sell for 3386, 84. First target zone 3378, the second, and then 3370. Below 3370, still you will find the support at 3360. Now once this zone is taken, that is 3370, 60, stay short for 3340 and 3324 levels here. These are going to remain the maximum support zone for the day, that is at around 3324, 20. First, the question is gold has to move towards those levels. The possibility is high, but and once it trades below 3325, 20, you can expect it to move all the way towards 3300, 3280 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, after this greater dip, the moving averages have now started to converge. We have seen a strong support toward 3240. With that as support, it has seen a good rise. After consolidation, it is still delivering higher highs here. So if you now see silver trading beyond 33-25 zone, you can just stay bullish from there. 33-25 is going to be a tough resistance for silver to break beyond. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD after a good drop has crossed over and it is trading with divergence, and it's staying bullish looking upwards. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts, after a series of bearish candles, you can see a reversal sign has appeared, and with that as reversal, this is the third straight bullish candle. Very important for silver to trade beyond 33-25 zone. Maximum resistance is offered in this zone, and only if it trades above this, you can say now the bulls are ready to take it on the upside. Stochastic rising here. The MACD was trading sharply bearish, trying to converge, not yet crossed over though. The RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour chart. Similar observation here on the 3 hour chart. The support is seen rise here after a reversal sign. Very good rise is seen. Now it has formed a tail trying to bounce back. If you see it is staying beyond 25 zone, just close your eyes. 34, 33, 33, 25. Just close your eyes. Stay bullish here, where you can expect it to move towards 33.50, 34, and in fact higher levels. Possibly 35 is also approachable, but I do not see silver doing that. Now look at the MACD here. It has crossed over, trading with divergence. Now still staying on the sell side. The RSI is recovered sharp. On the 4 hour chart, you can see this. See, first of all, I must share that this was a nice flag which silver has formed. It has given this breakout, but what I am seeing here is drop retracement, and again it is trying to deliver lower highs, lower lows here. So let's watch out. If it trades now below 32.40, you can just stay short for 32, and any drop below 32 is a clear sign of prevailing bearishness, where you can look forward to 31.50 and then $31 levels. Possibility is very high. If it trades now below 32, we are ready for a round of crash. Moving averages, Here are on the buy side, stochastic rising from the oversold. The MACD is bearish, trying to cross over for the buys. It is right now a sell. RSI is rising. Coming to daily charts. On the daily charts, you can notice two green candles has to follow with two red candles. The possibility is high, also lower highs, so possibly lower lows. Lower lows means a move towards 32. And right now you can see the support here at till towards 32.40 is pretty strong. Below that 32 is going to be strong, and once it trades below 32, remember we are ready for a good drop here. 31.50.40, or I will say 31.60.50 should be a very good support, and then 31 should come to the rescue. And remember, on the daily charts I have mentioned one thing. Look at the formation here. See, lower highs, low. This is a long-term charts, and thus on the downside the space is wide open, which it may try to fill today. So considering this, before I provide you the levels, do not miss to join the Signals channel. Do not miss to join the mentorship batch. Connect with me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do like, share, and comment. Your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation. So yes, you can buy here at 33 when you see the lower price above 33. Exclude the spread. The lower price has to be above 33, where you can expect the next targets to be towards 33.20, 33.25. If that's taken, then 33.50 and $34 level should be the next targets. Beyond 34, sky is the limit on the upside. We are ready for a round of rise towards $35 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. And yes, on the downside, now the selling entry is at 32.80. When you see the higher price below 32.80, take a sell. Expect it to move towards 32.60 levels, then 32.40. And if 32.40 is taken, we are ready for a greater correction. Below this, you can expect it to move towards 31. And in fact, 30, 50, $30 levels has to be there very, very soon. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.